Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing the Ariana Grande eyeliner. Now her eyeliner is very neat, very sleek, and very babyish. So if you guys would like to know how to do it and what you need to do it, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, you can use any eyeliner. I'm using the Carrot eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner. It's in the color black. When you're using eyeliner, make sure the tip is very thin and clean. So what you're going to do is dip into your pot. You can use gel or you can use the liquid, and at the end of your eye just pick it up like that. Then we're going to take it from the top, drag it down, and fill in the rest. And that's about it. On this side I'm going to do the exact same thing, but I'm not going to talk so you guys can see what I'm doing. So guys, you can recreate this with a pencil eyeliner with your little gels that you have. You just gotta set them with a little bit of eyeshadow. So this is what it looks like. As I said, it's very small, it's very babyish. You don't have like this whole kind of lift like Nicki Minaj, Cardi B. It's like very subtle, like it just brings out whatever's on your face. So guys, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.